second lecture of MCQ lecture of semiconductors. We'll start with the first question. LED has an advantage of. LED के क्या advantages है? First, less power, less energy is required because बहुत कम supply में काम हो जाता है. Yes, it is long life because लेस एनर्जी लेस वोल्टेज लगता है तो खराब होने के चांसेस कम हो जाते हैं, तो लॉन्ग लाइफ है. नो वार्म अप टाइम, इट डज नॉट रिक्वायर वार्म अप, स्विच ऑन इट जस्ट ग्लोस. सो एलईडी के सारे एडवांटेजेस ऑल ऑफ द अबव, डी ऑप्शन है फर्स्ट का. सेकंड की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. फॉर एलईडीज दे आर आल्सो सेड टू बी सॉलिड स्टेट लाइट as their solid state material does not require. Now we know the working of LED. उसमें एक कैथोड होता है और एक एनोड होता है. When the electrons they jump from higher level to lower level, that is they jump from free electrons jump into hole, they radiate electromagnetic waves or visible light. So they do not have a filament, नहीं होता है, ट्यूब नहीं होता है, बल्ब नहीं होता है, कुछ भी नहीं होता है, सिर्फ कैथोड और एनोड होता है और पीएन जंक्शन होता है. सो सेकंड का ऑप्शन है डी. फॉर एलईडीज द डिसएडवांटेजेस आर हाई इनिशियल कॉस्ट, hazardous blue high quality, temperature dependence and voltage sensitivity. It does not have high initial cost. Now the LEDs are quite cheap comparatively. Temperature dependence and voltage sensitivity, yeah, it can be, you can say it is high in cost compared to the filament bulb, so that is true. Secondly, the blue light that is emitted, it's problematic. Yes. Voltage sensitivity, yes, it is sensitive to voltage. It can, if there is too much temperature, it can be damaged. So third ka bhi option hai all of above. For LED its application are display screen on cell, counters, burglar alarm, all of the above. So fourth ka bhi answer all of the above hai. Fifth, for domestic and decorative illumination the device used is C, LED. Sixth, for a bipolar junction transistor semiconductor devices has, basically transistor mein it is either P N P or it is N P N. So how many junctions it has got? 2. And how many terminals it has got? 3. Emitter, base, collector. Emitter, base, collector. 3 terminals, 2 junctions. So bipolar junction transistor has 2 junctions, 3 terminals. Yes. 3 junctions, no. 2 junctions, 2 terminals, no. So it is 2 junctions and 3 terminals. 7. Bipolar junction transistor, the current is carried by both electrons and holes. In PNP, holes are the majority carriers, and in NPN, electrons are the majority charge carriers. Number of doped region in a transistor is, doping तो तीनों में होती है. Emitter is heavily doped, base is lightly doped, collector is moderately doped. So 3 regions are there. B option. This is a symbol of. Now PNP ट्रांजिस्टर को बायसिंग ऐसे होता है और एनपीएन को उल्टा होता है. क्यों ऐसा बायसिंग होता है? बेसिकली व्हाई द बायसिंग इज लाइक दिस? द बायसिंग इज लाइक दिस in order to ensure that the emitter based junction is forward bias and collector based junction is reverse bias. Here also emitter based junction is forward bias, collector based junction is reverse bias. So in case of both NPN and PNP, the symbol is like this. Now in PNP, the current flows out of the emitter into the base. Positive current, conventional current flows from emitter to base. So if this is emitter, this is base, current will flow like this. And in NPN, the current flows from base to emitter, conventional current. So this is the symbol of NPN. तो इसमें से ये कौन सा symbol है? NPN. Then the emitter of the transistor is generally doped the heaviest because it is the source of charges in the transistor, has to dissipate maximum power, has to supply charge carriers. Option number 2, 10th का 2 है. 11. The base of the transistor is thin and lightly doped. In order to base of the transistor is thin and lightly doped to make the base current as small as possible. Base current बहुत छोटा चाहिए. 12. For the collector and of the transistor, which of the following is true? Collector is thick and moderately doped. Yes, it is thick and it is moderately doped. A. 13. For a transistor, the dissipation of any small amount of heat generated takes place at mostly at collector. 14. For a transistor, resistance of the emitter base junction and base collector junctions are real. अगर emitter base junction forward bias है तो उसका resistance low होता है. Base collector is the reverse bias तो उसका resistance high होता है. So it is low emitter base and collector base is high. A option. For easy flow of majority carriers by the emitter through the transistor, emitter base junction is always forward bias. This is the answers of 15 question. Next lecture, next इसमें हम लोग और भी question solve करेंगे. Thank you very much.